Hi, Tim Unkert here, and in this video we're going to create a simple Python program to average the values of a data set. Okay, so I'm going to bring up a text editor. For this video, I'm experimenting with Emacs a little bit, in case you're wondering. And so I've got this blank file called average.py. You'll see down here that it says can't guess the Python indent offset using the default of 4. That's good. So we're going to create a function, and I'm going to call that function find mean. Okay, and I'm going to pass a data list into that function, and then I'm going to have to do a few things. So I'm going to start off with a sum equal to 0, but I want to get that sum to be the sum of the data set eventually. Okay, I'm also going to start with a variable I, so I can increment I, and I'm going to set that to 0. And I'm going to start a while loop after this, and I'm going to say while I is less than the length of the data list, okay, the sum, I'm going to add each index of the data list. Okay, so I'm going to add, so I'll go through the data list and add numbers, okay? All right. And then I also, during this while loop, so it doesn't become an infinite loop, I need to increment I by 1. Okay, so I'm going to go out of the while loop now, and I'm going to say the mean, which is the average of the data, the mean equals the sum that we just added up from the data set divided by the length of the data set. So, for instance, if you want to think about this, if you have 6 numbers, to find the average of the 6 numbers, you're going to add up all those 6 numbers and divide by 6. That's what I'm doing in Python right here to find the mean. Okay, and then at the end of this function, I just want to return the mean. Okay, all right. So now we're going to start with a data list, and you could make this program a lot more complex and have the user enter the data list, but just for this experience, I'm just going to show you how to do it with a given data list. So let's just do 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if you add those all up, we get 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, and 9 plus 1 is 10. There are 4 numbers, so 10 divided by 4 is 2.5. Our average should be 2.5. Okay, so I'm going to make a variable out here called the average, which is going to be the function find mean, and we're going to pass into that function the data list. Okay, and then I'm going to print our average. Okay, so I'll save it. All right, and when we run it, we should get 2.5. So let's go down here. I'm going to run Python, and I get 2.5, which you can see right here. Okay, now let's change a few things. Let's add another number in here. Let's add 5. Now in this case, since we added 5 to 10, remember the previous sum was 10, we have a sum of 15, and 15 divided by 5 is 3. So the average of those numbers should be 3. So let's save that. Okay, and let's run it, and we get 3. Okay, we can continue with this. Let's say I added another 15, okay? And now we have 6 numbers. So there are 6 numbers, and 15 plus 15, that would give me 30. So my average now should be 5, okay? And let's run it again, and we get 5, okay? Let's test one more. Let's add a random number, 101, and we'll see what it is. And you see, it will give it, because this one is not so nice and neat, it'll give it out many places, okay? So you can, in Python, just have it go to a certain amount, but this is just showing you how to find the average, okay? So that's an easy way to write a little program in Python to find the average of a data set. I thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do like the video, please like and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications, as it really helps the channel grow. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.